Now you want to replace the coil packs. You want to make sure that you place them in there snug and facing the proper direction so that they will line up with the ignition coil plugs. You want to make sure that they kind of click into place and you know that they're snug. If they're not snug, your spark plug will not ignite and you won't have a properly running cylinder. Then you want to go ahead and plug in your coils. Once you've dropped them in place, if they're not pointed in the proper direction, you simply just have to twist them and have them pointing the direction that you want. Now repeat the rest for the remaining cylinders.